I don't wanna do this
anymore. We should audition for Idol Philippines.
Wow.
I don't wanna do this anymore.
Damn, you're
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Yani and Fabio. Wow, different intro.
I don't want to do
different intro.
No. Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my boyfriend Yani, and we're back
with another video. And we're watching another Idol Philippines because it's a hottest show right now in the Philippines. And I actually love this because they have a lot of good singers. I'm excited. I think they're still in the audition round. And this one, we're reacting to Baylon singing If I Ain't Got You.
Oh,
I love this song. It's a hard song. There's a lot of runs. There's a lot of high notes. I love this one. And he's a guy. So he has a guitar.
And he has a guitar. So
I'm wondering how he's gonna arrange the song based on his vocals and range.
Yeah.
It's amazing. If I ain't got nothing,
is that the red button there?
got you.
Okay, let's watch it.
I'm gonna audition. I'm gonna contact ABS-CBN and I'm gonna audition.
They're gonna put you on the funny audition.
The funny auditions. The failed auditions. Oh my god, that's so embarrassing. Can you imagine? Okay, without further ado, let's go right into the video. I'm excited.
Hello!
Oh, careful. No running in the studio.
Oh my god, he's
Mabuti po.
he's black.
Ako po si Baylon, 21 years old, from Tuguegarao City.
Tuguegarao
Opo.
City.
Did you know that our ancestors or our Aboriginal people are black?
Yeah,
Yeah, so
I knew.
Sinong kasama mo ngayon?
Bali, kasama ko po yung dalawa ko pong mama.
Ay, ang swerte mo, dalawang
Ang
mama.
saya mo naman, dalawa
Oh,
nanay mo.
he got two moms.
I came from one family to another po. Bali po, yung biological mom ko po kasi is lavandera po siya.
Okay.
Tapos,
The biological mom is a clothes washer, like washer.
yun po, yung first family po kasi, yun po yung pinaglalaban niya. So, like, parang gustong
Oh,
kunin
so
ng first family
cute.
ko. Gusto niya po akong kunin.
Oh.
Then, yun po, inalagaan po nila ako. Then,
Inampun ka nung amo nung...
Okay. So the first mom is only like a house worker, and then in the house, the family in the house wanted to adopt him, because obviously you don't make a lot of money when you're just washing clothes, right? In the Philippines. So I love this show. There's a lot of story. I'm gonna watch the whole episode.
It's nice that they really showcase the
hindi na
stories.
po, parang hindi
Well,
na kayang-
that's what touches people's hearts.
Kumain ka,
Opo.
gano'n, sustentahan ka.
Pinaampun ka din.
Opo. So, ano po, first family, then napunta sa second, then on the third po, sila na po yung talagang kumuha sa akin. Tapos,
He was adopted
pinaramdam
2
po nila
times.
sa akin yung pagmamahal. Then, sila din po yung naging way para mahanap ko po yung biological mom ko po.
Oh my
Ang
gosh.
pagkuha ko kay Luke, one of the best decisions I made in life. He's a gem. He's God's gift to me and my family.
Oh, this is the biological mom, I think. That's so good. So the biological mom is not really jealous that he was adopted by another mom. All she's saying is, I just want him to have a successful life and still know me as his mom.
May time ka, di ba?
O sige, ano munang kakantahin mo?
Bali, kakantayin ko po
What
yung
are you gonna
Fight
sing?
With You by Alicia Keys. Bali, ginawa ko po siyang reggae version po.
Reggae version.
Sige, when you're ready.
Raspy voice. I love it.
Some people live for the fortune.
I know you don't like it, but I like it.
No,
Some
that's not
people
true.
live just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah.
I love it.
And that's the only
I
way
love
to
the rhythm of the
live.
guitar.
But I don't want nothing
Hey, that was beautiful. I love that his
Nice.
voice is raspy, and when he goes high, it's like soft as well, going high. I love it.
It's really cool. He has some good rhythm.
I know.
If I ain't got you with me, baby, some people want some.
Just-
Just wanna live everything.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Everything means nothing.
It's so particular.
I ain't got you.
I feel like this voice is something that whether you like it or you
Yeah.
really don't like it.
Yes.
Like there's no in between.
I hope that the judges will see the difference, because like I said, in music there's a lot of different types and genres in music, and the way you sing it is so many different types, and I hope the judges acknowledges that this is different and unique.
Yeah, they always have also have to think about the market in the Philippines. So
That's
is it
true.
gonna be
reggae? Yeah, but
I
some
don't
people
know.
in the Philippines love reggae.
Hey, yeah,
I really love this one. I don't know. Look at James Reid like jamming
Ja-
into it.
James is loving it.
I'm curious what they're gonna say.
It was a bit short.
Actually, I loved your rendition.
I knew he was gonna love it.
I never heard it like that before. You have a voice, and you can sing.
Yeah.
It's just lacking a bit
Oh no.
with like hitting the notes and the timing.
But I think that's what makes it raw.
Yeah.
If it's like there's a mistake or
Even
something.
if you're
I don't know.
singing a particular song, parang you're speaking lang.
Opo.
Diba? Parang ganun siya, binibitawan.
It's just you're just not ready. It's a no for me.
Oh my god, that's painful. I got goosebumps.
Because I actually enjoyed it. I was like, I liked
I
it.
enjoyed it too.
I just wished he would take it longer, and also he would put in some extra notes, like
Yes.
high notes or very low notes, just to show the
I'm
range.
cringing right now because look how smiley and nice he is.
Yeah.
But I guess that's just life, and the judges know what they're talking about, right? So,
They're musicians, so
but that doesn't
I
matter.
like you. And I want you to improve pa. So, baunin mo yung yes ko.
Okay po.
Parang
Oh, that's so
bigyan ka
sweet.
ng
Like, go
lakas
home with
ng
my
loob
yes,
para
so it will give you.
practice more to improve your craft
Yeah.
more.
Babawin ko na rin po yung mga nose para.
Of course. Oh my god. He's such a great sport. Because Regine
Yeah.
said, take home my yes so that you'll reflect on it. And he's like, I'll take the nose too to learn from it. Oh, that's so
Wow.
sweet.
Tama yun.
Tama yun. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat.
Oh my gosh, I could just imagine.
that's hard to say no, because there's talented people, but they really need to make decisions that are like
Ang ganda ng swing.
what I told you, also market.
Oh my gosh.
I was not expecting this. I really
expecting
was
what?
not expecting a no.
Yeah?
I was expecting them to say, let's hear something else. I want to hear your range of voice.
Yes.
I want to hear like specific runs. I don't know. I don't know
Yeah.
what I was expecting.
I thought they would. I see what they're saying though, that like there's like some flats, sharps, I guess. But the way he transitioned from the chest to falsetto, it was nice. Falsetto was strong. It was clean. But I guess
That's not enough.
know what they're talking about.
Oh well. He reminded me of a little bit of Casey, the way he sings.
Yes.
In some
oh
parts.
yeah, Casey sings reggae. Yeah, you're
Yeah,
right.
so and
You're
you
so
know
Filipino
she
now.
does like all this.
Yeah.
Growls.
Oh, that's what the judges were talking about. Like they were looking more of that, like reggae, like really like just speaking the
Just
words.
go for
that's-
it. Oh well.
If you audition, what were you gonna sing?
I will sing.
A whole new world, a new fantastic.
I will sing the soundtrack of Jollibee. I'll be like, hola po, kumusta po? Para this audition, I'm gonna sing the soundtrack of Jollibee. Thank you po. This
And
is
what's
my
your life story? What's your
My
life story?
story. I'm dating a Filipino. Is that enough to get a yes?
A Filipino who can't sing.
Who can sing, can clean,
Stop!
can speak, can't do nothing.
Nothing.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you all next time.
Bye.